हनुमते नमः।
Problem is when we connect RAM, it's getting on and off. Okay, today I will show you how to solve this type of issues in this board. Okay, so we will check from the starting. Before switching, I will show you the basic requirements of IO first. Okay, this part number MVD schematic is easily available. All before switch on supplies are okay in this board. We will check without RAM, then with RAM. Okay, so first we check the coil supplies. Okay, it's having supplies are okay. Now if you let's check the RAM slot requirements. Okay, RAM slot requirements, because the problem is, see, when we connect RAM, okay, when we connect RAM, again I'm show you when we connect RAM and trick the motherboard, see, DC supply taking high ampere, see, again taking high ampere and again down. Okay, it's taking very good ampere, but again it goes down. In this condition, if you want to see the supply, I'm gonna show you. Let's now let's check the RAM slot requirements. Okay, RAM slot requirements, because the problem is, see, when we connect RAM, okay, when we connect RAM, again I'm show you when we connect RAM and trick the motherboard, see, DC supply taking high ampere, see, again taking high ampere and again down. Okay, it's taking very good ampere, but again it goes down. In this condition, if you want to see the supply, I'm gonna show you. Let's see the supplies again once more with RAM. Okay, this is the RAM coil. See the supply coming and gone. All VS line, see, this is the input side standby. Now the output side, see, supply come again gone. Okay, now the 5 volt is input side and this one is the output side. Now see, when we press power button, again it's come and gone. Okay, now see the PCH1, press power button, supplies come, gone. Now the VRM, press power button, supplies come and again gone. See, wait, come and again gone. See, when we press power button, see, supply come and again gone. Means all supplies in this boards are okay, but the problem is without RAM this board is continuously on, but with RAM this board is getting on and off. In this condition, we have to check its RAM slot requirements. Okay, RAM slot requirements, that voltages are available or not. RAM slot, it's JDDR1. Okay, opening the schematic, JDDR1. Pin number 1 is reference. Okay, pin number 1 is reference. This one is 2. I am checking on this side. Pin number 1. When we press power button, see reference voltage is coming, again gone. Okay, now if you want to check, it's DRAM reset pin number 30. Okay, 5, 10, 15. This one is 30. Okay, ringtone, now trig motherboard. See, DRAM reset comes and again go. See, 1.35 comes, again gone. Okay, if you after DRAM reset, if you want to check its CKE1 and CKE0, I will show you pin number 74 and 73. This one is 74. Okay, see, supply is coming 1.3, again gone off. Okay, now pin number 73, this side I am checking on. See, again coming and gone. Okay, see again CK1 or CKE1 or CKE0. See, supplies come and again gone. Okay, means this supply is also coming and gone. After this we will check its RAM slot supply is okay. If you want to see data clock, I will show you, but before data clock I will check its pin number 116 and 120, ODT0 and ODT1. Okay, ODT0 and ODT1, 70, 80, 90, 100, 10, 20. This one is 120. Okay, 120 is ODT1. See, 1.3 volt comes and gone, and pin number 116, now ODT0. See, 0.91 is also coming, but again it's gone. Means RAM slot all supplies are okay. Okay, if you want to check its pin number 126, we can check that also. 70, 80, 90, sorry, 70, 80, 90, 100, 10, 20, 22, 24, 26. Okay, see VRAF. Okay, see, it's also coming 0.67, half of RAM, but again it's gone. Okay, now the RAM slot data clock. Okay, pin number 200 and 202. Pin number 200 and 202. First we will check the supply, then we will check with the DSO also. Okay, 202, you can see 3 volt is coming, again gone. Now 200, see, supply is coming, again gone. Okay, now let's check with the DSO in auto mode. Okay, in auto mode we can check its data clock communication is okay or not. Okay, see, pin number 202. Okay, see, on the DSO I am triggering the motherboard. Okay, see, no communication, I think so, only supply, maybe. See, communication is available, again gone down. Okay, this one is 202. Now the pin number 200. See, RAM slot data clock. RAM slot data clock is also okay. Okay, means RAM slot all requirements are okay. Okay, reference, DRAM reset, CKE1, ODT0, everything's are okay, but getting not constant on, it's getting on and off. Now we check its LPC line communication. Okay, LPC line is okay or not. Okay, so its IO number is UE1, control F, UE1. Okay, and the LPC is 10, 9, 8, 7, 7, 8, 9, 10. All are LPC line. Okay, LPC AD01. Okay, so we will check on the only one pin for confirming 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so 5, 6, 7. Let's take the communication. See on the DSO. Okay, see, LPC also having communication. Okay, now we will check its serial queue, pin number 5. Okay, this one is the 5 number pin. Okay, now let's check the, see, its communication is also okay with supply. You can see the supply is also, see the supply 1.7, 1.8 coming in, again gone. Okay, now LPC is okay. Now the LPC frame pin number 6, 5 and 6. See, it's having communication, good communication, again gone off. Okay, now after this the clock. Okay, clock PCI. Okay, pin number 13 is clock PCI, 5, 10, 15, 14 and this one is 13. So see, we have to check this on AC mode, no? AC mode, set this on AC mode. Okay, now the measure, see on the DSO. Okay, see, we have to set this on auto because it's not able to see. We will check it's without RAM. Okay, we will remove RAM. Pin number 13, 1, 5, 10, 15, 15, 14, 13. Okay, see, put on AC auto mode. See the clock, 24 megahertz, means its clock is also okay. Okay, now let's check without the RAM, without RAM, sorry, with RAM. We'll check with now. Now again 15, 15, this one is 13. Now let's see the clock with RAM is also coming and gone off. See, 24 megahertz with proper clock is coming and getting off. So guys, in this board every supplies are okay, all communications are okay, but without RAM this MBD is getting on and off. Without RAM this MBD is properly on, but with RAM this one is getting on and off. Okay, so guys, tell me the reason why this board is getting on and off with RAM. Okay, I have shown you the all voltages what we are getting. Okay, see, if you want to repair this board, just follow the basic rules. Okay, just follow the basic rules of repairing. You can easily repair this board. Okay, thank you for watching.